This is not your usual sweet potato casserole. This is an unusual sweet potato casserole, and it's one I've created that does not have the cinnamon and the brown sugar and the marshmallows because that's also sweet. I have created this recipe with spices and cheeses. Let me show you how I make it. Let's start with 4 to 5 medium potatoes. Peel and wash your potatoes. And now you're going to want to slice your potatoes very thinly. You're going to take a 9-inch baking dish and spray it with oil. Preheat your oven to 375, and then what you want to do is place the potato slices in the dish by layering them. We're going to have 2 layers. Once the first layer is completed, we want to add our spices. Let's start with 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, or however much heat you can handle. And next, add 1 teaspoon of cumin, which I think is delicious, so you might want to add even more. We will add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground pepper. Now sprinkle 1 tablespoon of flour over the top of the potatoes. This is going to help make our sauce, or to thicken our sauce. I'm so pleased you have joined me today. I want to send a special thank you to all of my friends that have subscribed, and I really appreciate your comments and your interest in cooking. If you have not joined our community yet, please do so today by subscribing, and be sure and click on that bell so that you get an alert for every new video. You all are special to me, and I am really enjoying interacting with you in our new community in Cooking with Denise. So thank you so much, and let's get cooking. Now make your top layer of potatoes and sprinkle with the spices again. We're also going to sprinkle the flour over the potatoes again. You're going to want to cut 2 tablespoons of butter into really small pieces, and then spread these out on the top of the potatoes. Now you could melt it and pour it over instead. It's just whichever you prefer. Now let's pour 1 cup of half and half over the casserole ingredients. This will make our casserole moist. And now we're ready for the good stuff. I love the cheeses. So let's spread 1 cup of Gruyere cheese across the top, and then sprinkle with 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. Cover the casserole with a lid or aluminum foil and bake for 45 minutes. Next, you'll remove the cover and bake for an additional 15 minutes or until the potatoes are soft. Voila! You now have not your usual sweet potato casserole, and it is so good. The warm flavors of the spices and nutty taste of the cheese make this casserole an excellent comfort food. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do.